got in the mail today where Cuisinart. I opened up, took out the tape, and then I remember I wanted to make the video. But the tape was already open, and this is the box that it came in. It's a double cardboard and all everywhere, so it's nice and thick, I guess, to avoid damage of the product of the box inside. And this is how it comes in. The original box that you actually will see at the store. It's in there. Okay. Even though it was punctured right here, the cardboard, it didn't go through. There you go. And this is the Cuisinart waffle maker. Double Belgian waffle maker. So this is the one that makes 2 waffles at the same time. And here we go. We got the, I believe it's the measuring cup. And this is very thick. It's doesn't look like it wouldn't hold the product well. We got the instructions. And here it is, the waffle maker. I guess we're gonna eat waffles tonight. Alrighty. Who can flip it? Nice thick stainless steel with a thick plastic. It doesn't seem like it's regular plastic. It's the one for that can take a lot of heat. It has a spring over here so it doesn't slam down. Actually, for the top electronics heater. Here we go. Are we missing anything here? And here's the plug. It's underneath. Comes with a protector for the plug, so I guess so it doesn't get bent in shipping. Just looking for the plug, I couldn't find it. I was like, this is not wireless. We have it on and off. Let's see if it works. You have a light for each waffle. Look at that. It's warming up already. I guess the light will go on once the waffles are ready. Do we have a batter ready? No? Okay. Well, that's it. Thank you.
Finger.
Ooh.